In Finance Solver, when PMT equals 0, compounding periods per year equals payments per year equals K. K is the number of compounding periods per year, and capital N equals N times K. Therefore, capital N is the total number of compounding periods in N years. In Finance Solver, when PMT is not 0, CPY equals K and capital N equals N times PPY. PMT means payment per period, normally monthly payment. CPY means number of compounding periods per year. PPY is the number of payments per year. Capital N is the total number of payments in N years. Question 5. Give your answers in parts A, D1, E, and F to the nearest dollars. Daisy invested 37,000 Australian dollars in a fixed deposit account with an annual interest rate 6.4% compounded quarterly, which means K equals 4. Calculate the value of Daisy's investment after 2 years. Since PMT equals 0, you can use formula, or you can use equation solver. So future value equals present value times 1 plus R over 100 times K to the power of K times N. N equals 2, and present value equals $37,000. Rate is 6.4 over 100. So we do the substitution. $37,000 times 1 plus 6.4 over 100 times 4 to the power of 4 times 2. Let's go to calculator. Enter. We need nearest dollars, $42,010. Nearest dollars for A. Let's go to B. After M month, the amount of money in the fixed deposit account has appreciated to more than $50,000. Find the minimum value of M. Notice M is a natural number. This M is a month. We need to change into years. N equals M over 12. Now future value is $50,000. $50,000 equals PV is still $37,000 times 1 plus 6.4 over 100. K is still 4 to the power of 4 times M over 12. We will use the equation solver. Compounding interest formula, we don't have to worry about the sign of money. We'll go up, enter. Then I will change this 2 into M divided by 12. Then equals $50,000. Then go to control menu, enter, enter, enter. 56.9077. Since
M is a natural number.
more than $50,000. So this number you have to round up. Now I will show you use Finance Solver to work out question A and B. For A, since the PMT equals 0, CY equals PY, both equals 4. Future value is something we are looking for. PMT is 0. Present value is negative $37,000. 6.4 for interest. This N is 2 times 4 equals 8. Let's go to calculator. 8, 6.4. PMT is 0. PV is negative $37,000. PMT is 0. Future value is something we are looking for. PY equals CY equals 4. Then move your cursor to future value, enter. We got the same answer. For B, PMT is still 0, 4, 4. Future value is $50,000. PV is still negative $37,000, 6.4. We are looking for this N. CYPY still both 4. Future value $50,000. PMT is 0. PV is the same. Interest rate is the same. We are looking for this capital N. Enter. So we got this capital N equals 18.969 and so on. But we need a month. This N equals N times K. K equals 4. So basically it's 4N. N equals 18.969 divided by 4 equals. Then you need to change this one into month. So this N times 12 equals 12 times 4.74225 equals times 12. Enter.
We got the same answer as the compound interest formula.
So in this case, you could say using this formula is much easier than Finance Solver. My recommendation is that if PMT equals 0, use compounding interest formula. It will be much easier. Daisy is saving to purchase a new apartment. The price of apartment is $200,000. Daisy makes an initial payment of 25% and takes out a loan to pay the rest. Say, write down the amount of the loan. Since the initial payment is 25% of the price of the apartment, then 75% will be the loan. We want to figure out the amount of the loan. We will use 200,000 times 75% equals $150,000. The loan is for 10 years, compounded annually, with equal monthly payment of $1,700 made by Daisy at the end of each month. For the loan, find the amount of interest paid by Daisy. Amount of interest equals total payment minus loan. Daisy paid a monthly payment $1,700 for 10 years. So 1,700 times 12, that's 1 year payment. Then times 10, this is the total payment. Minus the original loan is $150,000. We got $54,000. For D2, find the annual interest rate of the loan. Let's write down all the variables. For 10 years, N equals 10. Monthly payment is 1,700. So PMT is negative 1,700. Your present value is the mortgage, $150,000. Compounded annually. So CY equals 1. Monthly payment means PY is 12. Future value is 0. PMT at end of each month. N equals the total number of payment. 12 times 10 equals 120. 120. Interest rate is something we are looking for. Present value $150,000. PMT is negative $1,700. Future value is 0. PY is 12. CY is 1. PMT at end. Move the cursor to PV, then go up. Enter. Answer is 6.65 as a 3-sig fix. So I% equals 6.65240%. After 5 years of paying off this loan, Daisy decides to pay the remainder in one final payment. When you see remainder, this is the future value we are looking for. Find the amount of Daisy's final payment. We have to use Finance Solver. Write down the variables first. For I%, I will use full answer. Present value, it's still $150,000. PMT is negative $1,700. Future value is something we are looking for. That's the remainder. Payment per year is 12. Compounded annually, so CY is 1. PMT is at the end of each month. Look at the capital N equals total number of payment, 5 years. So 5 times 12 equals 60. Now we will change this capital N into 60. So we will go to this future value is something we are looking for. FV future value, enter. We got the answer. We need to change this into integers. So $86,973. Let's go to F. Find how much money Daisy saved by making one final payment after 5 years. How much money Daisy saved equals the dollars by original plan minus the dollars Daisy really paid. Dollars by original plan, 1,700 times 10 years times 12. Then minus the dollars she really paid, 1,700 times 5 times 12. Plus one final payment, $86,000 $973 equals
$15,027.